Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Remax in Big Bear. Today I'm over at 1090 Dumas Lane over in Big Bear City. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street, 1090 Dumas Lane in Big Bear City. Right here at the red stop sign right here is North Shore. Going east, you are going to head down to the desert toward Lucerne. You could also hang a right and get to Highway 38 pretty quickly from here. And then down here we have Cinderella. And from here you've got a little bit of some ski slope views. Mostly kind of, I would say primary homes around this neighborhood. Primary homes and also secondary homes. So lot line, the lot size is 4250. So you're looking at like right to the right of this red truck right here, that this goes with it. So quite a bit more parking because you can get parking out here as well. And you've also got a nice concrete driveway that fits two, one behind you, and then of course a 2-car garage. Lot line over here is going to likely be the fence line. And then they do have a gate access to get to the backyard from here. This one is just hitting the market for $399.9, and we're going to be looking at a 2-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,100 square foot. So a couple things to note just since we're out front. Nice heavy duty deck. This looks like it was built post, original build of the home. These are much larger than some that you see. I'm just kind of looking in here just to make sure that the railing or the decking is attached really well. It seems like it is. Paint job is in good shape. Not seeing any chipped paint or anything. And then also when looking for termites, we always like to see if there's, you want this to be concrete down here. So see how it's wood and then concrete and then dirt. Our termites come from the ground up. So we are safe, at least on this side of the building. Let's go on up. Got handrail. Deck is in really good shape. Really strong stairs. Really beefy build on this deck. One thing I would say is maybe pull that back a little bit. And look at the sky. And so here we are on the outside. Roof is in great shape. Ridge cap in great shape. Deck is wood. It seems like, I feel no wobbles whatsoever. Got a really nice mountain view above the homes right here. Fun fact, I used to own that home right there as a short-term rental. And then right here, you have ski slope views right there. And then kind of not much going on in the backyard, but could definitely do something with that. So let's go on in. Okay, so entering in. Front door is like a heavy duty metal. And okay, here we are. So entering in, we do have laminate floor followed by carpet in the living room. So we've got the living room straight ahead, kitchen, bathroom, and a bedroom to the left. Downstairs, bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, access to the garage and outside. So here, starting in the living room, nice vaulted ceilings, drywall. One could finish that off with some tongue and groove, but you do already have it right here on the wall, so it might be too much. Sometimes people aren't a fan of it everywhere and just accent walls. But they do have this one so adorably decorated. It does appear that it is a vacation rental, or at one point probably was, because they do have an Instagram hashtag Big Bear sunset view. So if you want to see what people have said or tagged about it, feel free to go to that site. Nice how they have these really heavy duty, kind of like a metal, I'm not sure how to open it. Don't want to break it, so just leave it. And then I just wanted to look. We do have dual pane windows on there too. Beautiful furniture can be requested. This is a second home, so a lot of times some of these owners would not mind leaving some of their furniture. I actually like how they did this double rug effect. So you've got the jute rug followed by just a normal rug. Kind of gives it like a nice little touch in here. And then here we have like our little Wi-Fi and game corner. And then a wood burning fireplace. On that wood burning fireplace, we do have wood tile right out front so that the embers aren't going to burn. And that does seem like it's up to code being 18 inches. And we do have our fire starter here, as well as a live edge wood mantle. Super cute. And what else is nice about this is that you do have 2 vents up here. A lot of times when you have a fireplace like this, the heat just escapes, but you are going to be able to get some of that heat back into the room by having those vents there. Over here, we've just kind of got our gaming area as well. What's your favorite game in here? Mine would have to be Family Feud. That's what I would say. So good little living room area in here. That seems like it's probably a pull-out sofa too. So here we are transitioning over back into that laminate floor. It is a darker kind of like walnut color on the floor, but it fits very, very well in here. Walls are kind of like a very, very light gray. And then here's where we have our guest book. So they were renting this back in 2021. Probably won't be able to tell you the most recent, but they were renting it during COVID a little bit, and then a little bit in December of 2023 too. It almost seems like maybe they know all these people too. Maybe they just rent it to friends and family, and that's why it's in such great shape too. So here we have just a temporary air conditioner. Only going to need this a couple weeks out of the year when it gets really hot, but those are going to be plumbed to the outside. And then here we are coming into the kitchen area. So we do have a full kitchen in here, dishwasher, stove, microwave, fridge. You've got these. I mean, these are not cheap because a lot of these, when you put them up, they fall. Very good construction on these. And this, it's really nice, really clean, really updated. This is for mica, believe it or not. And then I love the wood grain on all the cabinetry too. Really pretty how they did that. Very good natural light in here as well. Dual sinks, garbage disposal. Not slow close, but still nice. And then you've got the dining room table that can pop up and seat more people, as well as the fridge. So first this is gonna be our water heater. It is dual strapped. And hard to say what year that was. I almost want to say 2018. Yeah, I think. It just says 818. So maybe August of 2018. It is missing a drip pan though. Coming in, this is going to be bedroom number 1. So this is it's either, I think that's a double. Definitely a double. It smells so nice in here. Everything's just like loved on and perfection. Really cute, really, like, look at that little guy. He's adorable. And then they've just got curtains over the closet, but it is carpeted in the closet as well as in the bedroom. And carpet is in wonderful shape. So moving along, we do have an upstairs bathroom and a downstairs bathroom. This one is a full bathroom. The one downstairs is a 3/4, just a shower down there. So this is the only one with a tub up here. So really nice, kind of gray on the walls, white tile on the counter. You do have a heat lamp in here as well. And then coming into the shower, we've got a plastic shower insert. Super clean. Not really needing much else. Really, I can't even tell you anything I would do to this house. They have, oh, smoke detector. Definitely that. But everything's so well thought out. Even this beautiful window right here. So coming down, we have a nice chandelier piece. We're going to go to the other bedroom bathroom. So stairways are carpeted. And you land down here in the laundry room. One thing that you could do is maybe even build a little chute, because our bedroom, number 1, is right here. Just shoot down to the laundry room. Be something I would suggest. So here we have laminate floor. We're gonna go, there's a closet, then a bedroom, closet, garage, laundry, outside, bathroom. So let's go this way first. So here we have full-size washer dryer, storage up above, intake for the furnace as well. So closet, hall closet, just for like vacuum, things like that. And also kind of coming in, because if you think about it, you're probably going to come in through the garage most of the time. So putting your wet things in there. Here would be more of the master. It's just a bigger room altogether. This one is a king size bed. Same color all throughout the house. That's done. We do have a TV in here. I like that lamp. Like a rust color. Dual closets that do connect. So you do have like a his and a hers. So you could put a pony wall in here if you wanted to. All carpets are protected by the rugs too. That's probably why it's in such great shape. And then we have another closet here. It's kind of like more of a utility, things that go in the garage kind of closet. And then coming outside, we have the garage. The garage is finished off, drywalled, electrical, all the way around. It is an automatic garage door opener, and you also have a nice, it's concrete in here. Could definitely get 2 cars fit in here. But all their mountain toys in here as well. So then coming through the laundry area, this is going to be where the furnace actually is. And then we're going to go into the bathroom. So here we have bathroom number 2. Do have a pedestal sink. Nice white, you know, kind of like vintage, timeless tile all throughout the bathroom. I like the black strip in here too. Black and white are kind of my favorite color combination. Like how they just have baskets of necessities, the toilet, and then a shower. Really big shower too. This is not an insert. This was built in here, and it's got a nice lip to it too. So really cute. They did a good job. If you can be one thing, be kind. I love it. All right, and then lastly, coming outside, we've got the backyard. Nothing much done back here yet. It's kind of like a blank surface. And a shed as well. Let's see what's in here. And so if I haven't told you the price yet, I will tell you now that this one just got listed for $399.9, and I think it's probably gonna go pretty quickly. Kind of storing stuff in here. So there you have it, 1100 1090 Dumas Lane for $399.9. Give me a call if you want to take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.